Hey, I'm Lauren O'Connell and my videos help you to stylize your perfect skincare wardrobe. I know my background is a little weird today. I just was trying to fuss with the angles so much. I have two mirrors here, and although I'm wearing my shirt and it looks nice on top, I'm totally wearing pajama pants right now and I didn't want it to show in the mirror. So it is what it is. Anyways, I wanted to share with you about a product that I recently tried from Biossance and I didn't like it. I wouldn't say recently. I've been using this product for about 2 months and I don't think it's done anything for my skin. I love Biossance, and if you watch any of my videos, if you're subscribed to my channel, you know how much I just rave about Biossance. Honestly, I never found a skincare brand where I liked every single product in that entire brand. I thought Biossance was going to be the one, but it's not. I like them so much, I've even featured them in my Cosmo column before, and I know the Biossance team, it's wonderful. But my reviews are always honest, and no matter what, I cannot be bought. So if something doesn't work for me, I will share that with you. And the product that I really just did not care for from Biossance is their Bakuchiol. This is their sort of their retinol product. It is the squalane and phytoretinol serum. So phytoretinol is their way of saying sort of a plant-derived retinol, and that is Bakuchiol. I have an entire video on Bakuchiol and what it is. It is a retinol alternative. It's not retinol. It doesn't even have anything near a similar molecular structure to retinol. It comes from a tree called the bapchi plant, and it mimics the effects of retinol. That's skin smoothing, brightening, firming, lifting, and you can use it in conjunction with retinol. Anyways, I've been using this product for 2 months and it's done nothing for me. I don't have any edits on this video. There's no filters. There's nothing weird going on. This is shot on my iPhone. I do have a ring light behind me. It's late in the day. It's around 4 or 5 p.m. Anyways, I just want to show you what this product is like. And I am 38 years old almost in 2 weeks. So, you know, having as much retinol and Bakuchiol in my skincare routine as possible is a must-have for me. Now, don't include this, just ignore this part of the review of the product because this isn't coming into how I've experienced this product, but it's always been broken. So the lid is just stuck into the top, and whenever I've gotten it fixed, my husband fixes it for me, it breaks again. So I've just given up and now I just take it out like this. This is what the product looks like. You can see I've used almost the entire bottle, and the scent of it is very strong. I use this both morning and night because you can use a Bakuchiol morning and night. It doesn't make your skin any more photosensitive to the sun. Of course, I live in Dubai, so I'm wearing SPF 50 every day anyways. And at night, I use it in conjunction with my retinol. Anyways, all that being said, every time I applied it, I really did not care for it. It is incredibly strong and pungent. It smells like Men's Aftershave. And it was hard for me to take in because number one, I don't do fragrance in any of my skincare products. I don't like fragrance. If it comes from a natural essential oil type of source, I still try to avoid it, but it doesn't irritate my skin. But artificial fragrance, absolutely no. This one is completely natural, but at the same time, I would say that this one, it didn't irritate my skin, but it irritated my nose. I can deal with things though if it's going to make my skin look better. And I have to tell you, in using this product, there were no improvements at all. My skin essentially looked just like this 2 months ago and nothing has changed. And I am so particular and picky with my skin. I don't pick my skin, but you know what I mean. I notice every subtle nuance, and I did not see any changes for the better at all with this product. Now, I love Biossance. I love squalane. Squalane is such an important ingredient in my skincare routine. I use it all over my body, my face, even my hair. And if you're interested in squalane, I have a whole series of videos on that ingredient honestly include it in your skincare routine. I love the ingredients in this product aside from the strong scent, but it wasn't an ingredients issue. I feel like this could work for other people, but just for me, did nothing. So I have to say, I do officially have a product that did not work for me from Biossance. Never thought it would happen, but it did. I do, however, love bakuchiol. And if you're interested in incorporating bakuchiol into your skincare routine, I highly suggest you do, especially if you can't use retinol, because retinol is just too irritating for some people. So if you still want to have that beautiful effect to your skin, by all means, check out my video right here on the Herbivore Bakuchiol Serum. It is one of my top viewed videos. The product is so good. I got great results from it. I know that they did discontinue it for a little while, but from what I understand, they brought it back. So by all means, take a look.